Hi, this is Min Hwan, and I prefer to be called Lincoln. So I made this vehicle, which is for the anti-aircraft vehicle for this CS122A. It's a school project. This one has the USB launcher. You can move the launcher with the user interface. You can move up or move down, move left or right. And you also can fire the missiles like this. So this one is for the missile control, and then it has kind of user interface for a client. You can connect to this laptop computer and my anti-aircraft vehicle with the client server, which is require the IP address for the Raspberry Pi with Wi-Fi logged on. So if you connect it, you can move with some hotkeys like this. You can move forward, backward, and it also has the functionality with the moving the servo motor, which is the face of this anti-air vehicle, like this. And this one has basically the most important feature, which is scanning the surrounding like this. It will keep scanning the surrounding, and if anything like flying object comes to the scanner, it's gonna stop and run the buzzer for 1 second for 3 times.